You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are out here in Stanton, Virginia with Miss Sanaya.
Hi.
Okay, Sanaya brought out the fit for me, all right? It's like she was in my head because I was like, yeah, I want the cowgirl type vibe, and then we need a dope location. And she absolutely came through, like Jesus Christ, okay? Now, where can they find you at?
I'm on Instagram at Sanaya Artis.
Okay, I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner. Today, the objective is going to be different perspectives. So I'm gonna be using the 35, the 50, and also the 85. On the Nikon Z8, we got a one light setup, Godox 8300. As you can see, the sun is beautiful right now, going down. So we're going to try to grab some shots real quick before it goes behind these trees. You ready?
Yeah.
Give me a yeehaw. It's like, no. Let's go. 1, 2, boom. All right. Now that right hand, let me see. And put that left hand out a little bit.
Like this?
Yeah, I like that. Put it back right there, yeah. 1, 2. All right, so she is absolutely backlit right here. So I'm gonna really get a lot of different angles. So right there is good. 1, 2, perfect. Look off that way. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Boom. Yep, that's fire right there. Hold that. 1, 2. Perfect. And I'm gonna get a close up like that. 1, 2. Boom. All right, what I want you to do, put your right hand, yeah, put that one right there, yep. 1, 2. All right, let's see, 1, 2. Boom. That right hand, can you put it like on the side of the thing? So, nah, like right here. See what it look, yeah, just like that, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And look out kind of like that way. Yep, just like that. 1, 2.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too.
All right, let's go one more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect.
That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious.
Okay.
That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
All right, let's do it one more time. 1, 2. Boom. 1, 2. Yeah, that's cool. 1, 2. Hold that right there. 1, 2. I actually like it. Scoot over just a little bit more, like so you right in the middle. Yep, right there. Boom. Perfect. All right. I'm gonna take these. So I'm gonna take these natural light because it looks pretty good natural. So let me have you sit like right on that top. Yeah, and you gotta have 1 foot kind of up. Yep. There we go. 1, 2. Oh, that's fire. Boom. Oh, these gorgeous right here. 1, 2. Boom. Look off that way. Boom. All right, take your hat off and sit it like beside you on that side. Yep. Yep. Gorgeous. All right, now stand up for me. And you can put the hat back on. And I want you to take 1 step up. Boom. Gorgeous. All right. Now take it out. Yep. All right, and stay right there. 1, 2, 3. All right, bet. Let me show you. All right, so it is an update. The sun has went behind the trees. So now I'm just going to use natural light for the rest of these, which is not a problem. You should be versatile, you know, when you shoot. I know people like what they like, but this is absolutely beautiful light right now. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2. Boom. There we go. Perfect. All right, let me get you kind of sitting right there. Boom. Yeah, that's gonna be fire. 1, 2. One, two. Boom. And let me get close. 1, 2. And look at me with it. Boom. Look off that way. Yeah, right there. Right there. Hold that. Hold that. Are you kidding me? So I got the light feathered. And I'm using the 35 now because I need to get tight up in there. 1, 2. Woo! All right. All right, 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. Perfect. 2. Boom. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. All right, take that hat off. Just good. I'll let you fix your hair. All right, good stuff. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom, and lean your head, yeah, just like that. 1, 2. All right. Perfect. Boom. Okay, look. Get another angle like this. 1, 2. That's fire. All right, that left hand, kind of like put it in the grass. Yep. And look at me with it. Boom. Lower your shoulder. Yeah, relax, relax. 1, 2. Chin up. Boom. All right, I think we got it.